you have to cross the borders between the European country. So this is one of the option.
ये पासपोर्ट किसने एक्सचेंज किया? इसने किया। ए सब नहीं दिखाना है, ज़्यादा हो रहा है।
So we are traveling by EC train. Basically EC stands for Eurocity train, and this is one of the option if you want to cross the borders between European countries. And currently we are going from Berlin to Prague. It's a total 4.5 hour journey. And let's see, this is first time experience in EC train. Let's see how it goes. But our very first experience is like almost all of the seats were the reserve, and luckily we got to sit too. But unfortunately the windows is not that much good. Here we are in Prague, on Prague railway station. So currently we will take a day ticket and then we'll try to roam the city. Currently there is no plan as such, but let's see. We will explore Prague city.
Look who is here, our friend.
Look who is here.
मुझे नहीं पता। I thought you were going to Vienna, right? What are you doing in France? Vienna गया सीधा बुडापेस्ट अभी।
Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Please sir, India won't. What happened?
The peak of carelessness.
ये पासपोर्ट किसने एक्सचेंज किया? इसने किया।
Passport. By the way,
कंटेंट किया। अभी थंबनेल डालेगा।
I will just give you information. These two people, this one and this one, they exchanged their passport because they thought they are the same person, but it's not like that legally. वो तो कल डिसाइड हुआ ना।
देखो और किसी का ए सब नहीं दिखाना है, ज़्यादा हो रहा है। नाम बर्थडे मैच हो रहा, ये मेरा ही है।
इसका चेक ना किया इसने ना?
कर लिया भाई, कर लिया, आते ही कर लिया। साइन वेरीफाइड, फोटो वेरीफाइड। यार कल रात को तो पता 3:30 तक मैं स्टेशन पे, मतलब वो कौन सा वो तो चेक ही भी नहीं करता, ब्रूनो मार्स। हाँ पता नहीं कौन सा सिटी था, 3:30 तक उधर था। मतलब यार हर हॉस्टल पे जा रहा हूँ, सारे बंद। मतलब गूगल मैप पे तो दिखा रहा है, मैं ऐसा चार हॉस्टल घुमा, वो भी वो कौन सा बोल्ट लेके बोला, आगे बैग डाला, सारे हॉस्टल दे। बोला यार इधर तो नहीं होने वाला है। फिर 3:30 का वो बस था रेडियो जेट वाला बस था जो 6 बजे पहुंचाई थी इधर। फिर इधर आके फिर वो एंडो जिधर तुम रहने वाला, हाँ उधर ही गया। मैं बोला और कोई हॉस्टल रिस्क नहीं लेना, सीधा एंडो में जाओ, कितना मांगेंगे उतना दे दो भाई, मुझे बस रूम दे दो थोड़ी देर।
Because our hotel check-in time was 3 p.m, we went to one of our friend's house just to keep our bag. After that, we just left to explore Prague city. Spacious lane, nice architecture, and old kind of city vibe. That's the speciality of Prague. Now we are going to visit Charles Bridge. It's kind of one of the famous and oldest bridge in Prague. So let's see how's it. But specifically Charles Bridge in night time is pretty much amazing and it's very good. This is the Charles Bridge behind me. It's not that much visible from this bridge. We might go there and we will explore much about Charles Bridge. Let's see. We are exploring Prague from the 12 p.m. something. So basically Prague is all about its architecture and its beautiful lanes. It might have some kind of history or something, but honestly I didn't found much about it. Might be I can found it afterward. And now we are heading towards the Schloss. It's palace basically. And after that, let's see, we will explore something different thing. There are a lot of museums actually, museums and monuments. Prague Castle is actually very big, and it is said that it is built around 880, and it has a lot of historic monuments. So the one of monument which you can see behind me, this is I think some cathedral or something, and all this area which is here is under the Prague Castle, and you can see there are actually very nice shade of sunset behind castle, but I don't think so, but from camera you can see it.
Prague Castle is a castle complex in Prague, built in 9th century, and it is official office of President of Czech Republic. The castle was seat of power for a king of Bohemia, Holy Roman Empire, and President of Czechoslovakia. The Bohemian crown jewels are kept within the hidden room inside. According to Guinness Book of World Record, Prague Castle is the largest ancient castle in the world, occupying an area of almost 70,000 square meters. The castle is among the most visited tourist attractions in Prague and attracting over 1.8 million visitors annually.
After coming here, you can actually go in this church and you can go upside in tower somewhere here, I don't know exactly. And you can see the nice sunset. By the way, we missed it just because at 6 p.m. it get closed, and we reached here it at 5:45.
This is Prague Castle Guard, and during closing time, as per tradition, they have to do this kind of march. That's all for the first episode. Rest of the things will be in next episode. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will get notification. Also, if you like video, share it with your friends and family.
Finally, we reached Munich.